Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Aisa Laguna. I'm 28 years old. I have two kids, boy, 10 and 4 years old. I am married. I am a high school graduate. My work experience here in Philippines, year 2019, 2020, 22. 5 members of the house, 3 kids and 2 adults. Age of kids, 1, 5, and 9 years old. Age of adult, 49 and 42 years old. My daily works, house chores, general cleaning, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, car washing, and taking care of the kids. If you choose me, Mom and Sir, I'm trustworthy and I'm honest. I'm hardworking. I'm hoping, Mom and Sir. Thank you and God bless.